Hello, I've got here probably the UK's least expensive electric skateboard. It is the Zinc Smart Electric Cruiser lithium powered skateboard. Picked this up in Argos. It was reduced from 140 down to 110 and then it was on sale for 70, so it was 70 quid. So let's open it up and see what we get. Because my kids have been on my skateboard, but it's just too fast to even learn on. So nowadays they can have a go on this and get up to speed. So got a manual. Good. So it's 29.4 volts. It says it's a 2 amp hour battery. It's basically just one hub motor here. It actually turns itself on when you start to spin it, so that's it turning on now. One hub motor, and yeah, the battery itself is 25.2 volts, 2 amp hour battery, really. It's supposed to get 8 miles or so per hour, and it's supposed to be about 5 miles distance per charge. It takes 3 hours to charge. Let's have a look and see if we've got the remote. So what else we got? Skate tool, standard skate tool, take the trucks off and tighten up the bushings, things like that. We've got a little remote. Very small remote. It's got 3 settings on it, low, medium, high, so that's quite good. How do we turn it on? Okay. There's the charger. The charger is, it's a 1.5 amp charger, 29.4 volts out. UK power lead. USB lead to charge the remote. So the remote does actually have a reverse on it as well. Let's see if we can. Oh, this is off. Yeah, I need to charge this first of all before we can do anything on it. So here we go. I'll get it charged. 3 hours to take a charge. So we'll get it charged up. We'll take it for a spin. Get some of the kids to demonstrate it. Looks okay. Here's the remote. Here goes Avril on the first ride around the park on the electric skateboard. I've had a few minutes of practice so far around the corner, and you're getting the hang of it already. We're riding in low power, so top speed's going to be about 5 miles an hour. Put it onto high power, it'll go up to, I think it's 12 miles an hour. What's happening there? So how's it, Avril? Yeah? Now here's Ruby, she's got the hang of turning around.
Yeah,
let's see you go round and around past us.
You can do it.
Very good. After about 10 minutes practicing.
Yeah. Let's see if you can turn this popsicle.
Oh my gosh, it's on backwards. It's okay, it's not gonna fall, it's not gonna fall, it's not gonna fall.
You can see
Max,
that.
it's leaning, right, ready?
Go.
Ooh, Max, you're full speed.
Here is Ruby trying it on medium speed. So we've been trying it on low speed so far. Let's try it on medium. See what the difference is. Does it feel faster, Ruby?
Yeah. Definitely goes faster. Stop! Because the outside just do it.
Good fall off. So we're just back from our first test ride. How was it, Ruby?
It was very good.
Yeah? And you'd never been on a skateboard before?
No.
So we were like after 20 minutes you were able to do it and turn and everything?
Yeah, I was the best one.
You were the best
I
one?
was the gifted one for school.
I was the best. I know
Very good.
when I first went.
So Avril, how was your first ride on the electric skateboard?
Very good. I was the best one at the start.
You were the best one at the start?
She said at the start.
Yes, I know you were very good. After 20 minutes you were able to do it. Great, so we'll do it again.
I was second the best.
Cool.
I was
I was first.